Right.
brace. This one. It's a bulb.
Oh, that's the special tooling for putting the O-ring.
Put the O-ring in.
Only very few products.
You put the load, no need.
Okay. No, don't worry about the Loctite here. So normally you put Loctite here, or just normal glue.
Will. See, we disassemble.
Oh yeah, we're gonna disassemble later.
Same Loctite, the green?
No, is blue.
Blue.
3242. 3243.
Blue. Okay.
So medium strength.
Yeah.
Like this one.
Yeah.
Okay.
That's right. Two O-ring. Yeah.
Bulb and the O-ring.
A valve and the O-ring.
Yeah. And then inner tube.
In the tube.
Yeah. You put the something brace. Yes.
Yeah.
And then another machinery oil.
The grease on.
And then
The bumper.
the bumper.
Yeah.
Bumper used by another brace.
Yeah.
This one. And the inner piece.
Sleeve. The sleeve.
No, the inner housing.
Inner housing.
Inner housing.
Yeah.
And then look this one. And then
Yeah.
and then O-ring. O-ring is 1014. Number 014. And then
So the O-ring is on.
yeah.
Oh, okay. The bottom.
And then
Yeah. And then lock it.
this kind of nut we have a rubber. It's before without rubber.
Oh, okay.
Nylon.
No, nylon.
Nylon.
So nylon is no need to. You
No
know,
need to put.
No need to Loctite.
Oh, okay.
Because it's the nylon locks the
Yeah.
nut.
And then this one.
Okay. And we need to. Oh, okay.
This is one.
You probably need to see which are the special tooling.
Yeah.
Like this one.
Yeah.
This
But
one is,
some
I
of
think,
some of the
it's
tooling they
33,
made it
you know?
37 pounds.
Yeah, 30 pounds.
33 foot
30,
pound.
no, 30 pounds. 30. 30. 30 is good.
They use foot newton.
So
Oh, I'm sorry.
So we have heavy. We have this one.
Okay.
You know, it's 30.
Oh, no more than 30 Newton meter. So between 27 to 29 Newton meter.
So you use Newton meter, right?
Yeah, see? Tightening torque range, 27 to 29.
About the 30, you know, the tendency we have a tendency to go with the yeah. Find it out later.
Yeah, I'll look it up.
Yeah.
We use foot count.
Yeah,
So
so
I'll-
we can convert that to foot pound.
I'll look it up later.
Yeah, the below 30.
Yeah.
So, wow, how this works.
Okay.
So this one, use this one.
Sorry, I can move this.
This
Yeah.
one.
It's in aerosols, I think. Yeah, it's probably cool.
Either. So this one.
What's that one? Hold on.
Okay.
Yeah. Yeah.
It's okay. Ready for sizing.
How many do you change in a day? Yeah.
No helper, no.
Yeah. No.
That's good.
120 to 130.
Yeah. Okay, and then we need to install the cylinder.
The cylinder?
Yeah.
Used by hydraulic or by hand?
Probably by hand.
A small order like 100 pieces,
Yeah.
20 pieces.
Yeah.
For almost 500, 1,000 used by the hydraulic.
Yeah, it's alright. We just use by hand. Just probably they don't have the hydraulic. So probably used by hand. Yeah.
Because I don't think we're gonna have to practice this.
Yeah.
I don't think so, no.
Yeah.
That's pretty, I mean, this is straightforward.
Yeah.
Yeah, I don't think we'll have to practice this one.
Okay.
I mean, we will if you want us to,
Yeah,
but I don't think we're going to have to.
I think this is easy.
Yeah, it's straightforward.
This
Yeah.
So 193,300. This one.
And that would get green Loctite.
Yeah.
It'll probably be red, yeah. It'll probably more likely be red.
And then this is
Then probably.
I think that's that.
Tighten with the wrench.
Press your
It's locked. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
Sort of. You're okay. No worries. What did Derek have to go over there for?
To clear everything. That's the paper that we signed yesterday to show the job. Say we made the deal, so no more gold.
Storage of your hammers on.
That is all we got is cards.
Okay.
Hey, where is your stuff painted at? Who do you paint it at?
Not in the factory. Sometimes.
We have a big problem right now with paint. Paint is a big issue for us.
Yeah. It's good. Do you need a video footage for taking it apart? No. No? Okay.
What's test procedure?
Okay.